Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD pound dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index in front of us, and what a move we saw yesterday after this CPI. We saw a massive red candle on the chart of DXY. If you have watched my previous videos where we have discussed about the chart of DXY, then you know it very well that we had a very important support around 109.50 to 109.30, and DXY broke it and came down to the last line of defense, that is 107.85 to 70. So right now, as we can see, that DXY is trying to survive above this level here. DXY is trying its best. Today is Friday. Maybe today we will see that market is silent. Okay, market may remain silent because volatility shifts in the market, as we all know. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility because of extreme volatile situation yesterday in the market. So market may take risk for the day. So DXY next movement will be very important for all of us. Now let's have a look at the chart of GBP USD. Okay, but before I proceed, I would like to mention one thing, that in case DXY starts showing upside during the day, especially during the US session, then the previous resistance of 109.50 to 30 will now be acting as the new resistance. The previous support will now be acting as new resistance, because resistances become support and support becomes resistance. So 109.50 to 30 is the new resistance, and yes, this is the last support for DXY as of now. Now finally, let's move to GBP USD. As you can see that I have already drawn a few lines, so let's try to understand one by one. As expected, market did move up. Okay, market did move up and market hit the level here 1.1735. If you have watched my previous upload on the chart of GBP USD, then probably you were ready for this up move, because we have talked in detail about the market forming higher highs, and yesterday also we saw the same thing. GBP USD broke the previous high, which signifies the presence of buyers in the market, the intention of buyers to take the market upside. Okay. So on the chart of GBP USD, I see two trading possibilities or opportunities on the chart. First of all, if market comes down to complete the swing, because yes, we can see market forming swings. Okay, if market comes down to complete the swing here, then we may get a good buy opportunity at the trend line, because the trend line at the bottom is acting as a dynamic resistance. So please draw a trend line like this in your charting platform. So in the coming week, not today, okay, I don't think so market will be coming down today. So in the coming week, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down and bounces respecting the trend line, you can go for a swing position, because market is trading in swings here. This is our first trading opportunity on the chart of GBP USD, considering the swings. Okay, the second is, if market breaks the level of 1.1735, if market breaks the level of 1.1735, the line at the top, okay, we can consider it as a trend continuation. Why? Because if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that we have a resistance at the top. And whenever market is coming down, market is not breaking the previous lows. Which signifies the presence of buyers plus addition of new buyers in the market. And if you look at the pattern here, then you'll see that more or less we have an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern usually is very powerful pattern in an uptrend market, but though we are witnessing this ascending triangle pattern in a downtrend market, but we cannot deny the fact that DXY is weak right now. Okay, if the the selling pressure on DXY continues, then definitely we will see market breaking the level of 1.1735 and going up. Okay, so this looks like a ascending triangle pattern, and ascending triangle pattern is a very powerful pattern because we usually see in forex market that market respects the ascending triangle following the trend here. Okay, so if market breaks the level of 1.1735 and starts going up, then you can consider taking a buy position as well. But for additional confirmation, simply look at the chart of DXY. If you see that GBPUSD, okay, GBPUSD is going up, but DXY is not going down, or DXY standing at support, then try to avoid. Wait for some time, wait for additional confirmation. After all, it's your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with it. Okay, try to protect your hard-earned money because we are retail traders. Our capital is limited. Okay, so if market goes for a breakout, you can go for a buy position, take the additional confirmation from DXY, and in case market comes down, do not go for any sell positions, especially if you're a beginner, new trader. Okay, but if you have considerable experience in the market, then that's your personal call. I won't comment on that. Okay, but I think these two are the only two safe trading opportunities on the chart of GBPUSD right now. Anyways, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because no trader is 100% accurate. I can be wrong as well, so please calculate the position according to the stop loss and your capital size. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program. If you really like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can check out the link in the description. Okay, because it's a revolution, the most affordable program online, where you get to learn, trade and earn. Okay, there are 10 reasons. If you really want to know the 10 reasons why you should be joining the Pro Trader program, please check out the link in the description. Bye bye, take care.